Hey guys, Chef Tiore of Ready Prep Eat. I'm located in Charlotte, North Carolina, and I would say that I love being a Healthy Hands cooking instructor because I've been able to marry my two loves. I was a former teacher turned chef, and so now I get to teach people how to cook, which has been super awesome. I think that the training and the membership process was super easy. It was very well guided. The instructions were extremely explicit, and then even after I gained membership, I was able to know how to set up classes, my target audiences, even where to gain insurance. And so that has been a great benefit for me. I think that my fear of starting this was that, oh my goodness, people aren't going to want to learn how to eat healthy and to make their own food. But surprise, surprise, people really do want to know those things. And it's a joy to be able to teach people how to eat healthy and live for a lifetime. I would recommend this to anyone and everyone that loves to cook and loves to teach. Give yourself the opportunity to make your own schedule.